Nice.
Okay.
Oh god, in that corner. Yep. Nice. Nice.
I keep holding to reload when it's... Oh, the gun, Liam. Oh! Nice shot. Oh, Snup's doing it.
There's still someone up there.
Oh shit, that was a dramatic fall.
Are you just a grizzly bear? One
Blocked
here,
by enemy.
somewhere.
I found him. Wait, that wasn't him. There's another one.
Yeah, he must be upstairs. I'll go up first.
Got him.
Yes!
I think we both shot him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice
Oh my
work.
god. Boys, I'm here. The sniper is in the room. I'm going upstairs.
Shoot them, coming from spawn.
I can't, there's a fucking flame molly blocking my way.
Yeah, very nice.
Someone fucking Kermit.
That wasn't Kermit, that was a clown knock.
They're all with it. I hate that you can make that with your mouth. Like, I can hear your throat. It's just fucked up, man.
I'm on the left flank and there's nobody guarding this side.
Listen, dude, get out of my booty.
Get out of my house. I saw a guy, but I can't. Why are we all fighting over this one fucking window? Fine, I'll go out of here then.
Oh, I'm just watching this guy.
There's a guy that just came out of that hole in the wall.
The one that I just called in a bomb drone on?
Yeah, probably. I'm holding position, brother. It's painful.
Yep, that's a confirmed kill. Guy turned into red mist.
Oh my, that's fun.
Ah, brilliant.
Damn, that does sound chunky, doesn't it? Blocking. Defender's nice. Yeah, get him, Nat. Get him.
Oh, it's clear. Well, it's not clear. Oh, give me that.
I'm on my way, Nat.
Hey,
Got someone. Got a second one.
Are you still doing pistol only?
Yeah.
Nice.
The one shot is so satisfying.
Let me move.
It is.
I think I got a collateral or I got one.
I got a third one on site with my revolver.
The revolver's so good, dude.
I was an incendiary.
Thanks, Bubba. Yep, Liam, you have a shot. He went for his toes.
I thought he said he was laying down, and there was a guy laying down.
Oh, this gun is so satisfying.
Ass. Shot him in the head. Shot him in the ass. That was 3 for 3, man. I love this fucking.
I got him.
Oh,
I'm having the time of my life with this revolver, man. Observer?
Suppressing.
Oh shit, enemy.
I'm gonna go up and get him.
Who flashed me? What? Someone chasing you! Matt, I just saved your life. There's a fucking
Yeah, I
guy
heard
standing
a
behind
shot
me.
go past my ear.
Let's fucking go for it.
Was he...
Oh, now there's someone on me!
Okay. Whereabouts?
Just down the hill behind the overpass. He just moved up into the building on the right.
My right or your right?
On your right, on your right, on your right. Yeah, brother! Man, he was like running at you. I think he had a machete out.
Oh! 40 mil guarded that. Guarded that a lot. Oh, I missed with my revolver and he did a 360 spin and shot me with his 40 mil.